Yo, this song I'm about to sing right now describes how I feel about bitches, man.
Yo, TC, we're back here again on YouTube. Feel me? Here we go, dog. This shit, man. I hate this school, yo. But it's by me too. Let the beat fly. Listen to me and what do me. I go through like the three stooges. Rolling through this. I got this bitches running over. I couldn't scuba. I'm like this girlfriend now. You Cuba. Yeah, I'm in the jungle. I'm like the three cougars. I'm rolling with guns and bullets. I shoot you in your ass. I'll make you throw up like these boobies. Sue me. I didn't give a shit if your mother sued me. I coolly. I got this girlfriends when I'm rolling boobies. Bracelets, get me cages. I got these babies. I got three kids and three babies. I couldn't stop it cause I do it. I'm on the type of I'm not this, I don't pay child support, I don't buy diapers. I think that you couldn't stop it when I'm rolling trays. I got this, what's up, bitch? Mama's cake. I got this birthday gift. She came up to me and said, I got three strippers on your bed. I said, okay, can one give me head as I run around the hood? I'm rolling with a beamer. I'm girls and I seen her, but listen, I didn't care what this girl, she pissed me. What's that supposed to mean? I shouldn't forgive you for being me. I didn't think that my boy died when I can live. This is my rap song I made up when I was like Eminem. I didn't think you couldn't stop me. I'm rolling rice. I got this cause I cannot think I have 40 rights. Bitches on me, how you rolling? I'm rolling stogies. I'm smoking bud with my homies. I get stolen. I got this girlfriend when she walking in the head. I got nothing cause I couldn't stop it. Put up the bed. Damn, I looked at her. I'm like the main man. My name is TC, homie. I'm rolling rands. I got this girl rolling dice like Eminem. Mac Miller, Sack Killer, I could roll it with the Billers. I got something to tell you when you walk in next to me. I'm like, damn girl, you got a fat ass. And she said, what's up with me? Listen to me, niggas playing like the two chicks. I got nothing. I'm with two chicks, mutants, stupid. Yeah, I'm not stupid, but guess what? I'm not stupid. I got three girls. We giving head to niggas in the beamer. I seen her. She's with my sister in the white beamer. I'm rolling stretches, put a gun in your fucking head and kill him. Didn't care. I said, boom, guess what? I left your mom dead in the living room. I said, I got three babies. Well, guess what? I got some fine damn pussy from a white lady. Think you couldn't? Cause I think I'm banging. I'm the whitest person you ever seen. My name is Tom, baby. I listened at this girl. She had the sexiest body in the world. I couldn't stab it. I'm a fucking savage. I roll around this earth like it's a fucking gravity bend. Sin. I got this. I'm like the devil. 666 sins. Bitches. I'm done with this YouTube video. I'm rapping against these homos. Yomo. Let me get it. Suck it. No homo. Yeah, yeah, buddy.